Can we think of any examples of things that exist but are not material? So in order to do that, we have to define what being material, what counts as being material. Obviously, like, I'm not wrapping my knuckles on a piece of wood right now. The wood is material. It has mass. It's tangible. It's clearly material. But, like, there are things that aren't material, that aren't tangible, rather, that I would still say qualify as being material. Like light, for example, we know that E equals mc squared. We know that light and mass really aren't different things. Matter and energy both qualify. But I would say that it goes even further than that. A story is not tangible. It's like recorded on a page and in the memories of people.
Yeah.
And I think that a story bears this property. It is not itself tangible, but it depends on being recorded in tangible things. If I destroy every copy of a book and everybody who remembers that story dies, that story ceases to exist. So I would say that by that token, stories are material because they depend on something else's physical existence as a medium to continue existing. What you described as a soul, you described as something that continues to exist after the mortal vessel dies.
You're looking at the stars. You're looking at the stars, and you think that the Earth is fixed, and the stars go around.
Yeah. So misinterpretation of the data.
Yes. Do you see the kind of contradiction there? Like you're admitting that the muscle that you have for interpreting data both admits of being faulty and is its own corrector.
Yeah, but it only ever gets better. You know.
According to who? How do you know?
Because it systematically rules things out because they no longer fit the data.
But you've already admitted that thing failed the first time.
Well, it didn't fail. Waking up on Earth for the first time and perceiving it to be flat, you're wrong, but it's not your fault.
You're telling me that the question of whether my life is meaningful or not in the end doesn't bear on my liberty and happiness.
Like, you're saying whether or not your life projects onto some other plane of existence. That's what you're really asking about.
Yes.
You're asking if there's another plane of existence tied to this one.
Yes.
And I'm asking you, well, what if that one isn't tied to any other one? You know, like you can't displace meaning onto some other plane of existence. When you get to that plane, you'll just be displacing it again.
You don't know that.
You have to find meaning in the plane of existence that you've been founded. Well, I mean, doesn't it stand to reason? Why would that plane of existence confer meaning and this one fails to? I tried to think of an example of something like that. I tried to imagine what that would even be like.
The property, again, being something that once its material manifestations are gone, it is not gone. Love, but when that person dies, the relationship is not dead, but when...
Well, like, it's survived by the other person because they're imagining it, but when both people die...
Then it's gone.
Then it's gone.
All right, hit me.
Mathematics. It's not dependent on the physical universe to survive. If the medium dies, all of mathematics still remains.
You're so right. You're so right.
So, when you are imagining immaterial things, don't imagine, like, you but a ghost. Imagine math.
I think I'm a materialist now. You convinced me.
Are you lying? Yeah, you're lying.